Are we live? Yeah, it's working fine. Now let's start. X. X. Okay. Okay, we will have watching. Wow. Live stream. Create broadcast. Success. Post. YouTube. Give YouTube link as well. Share. Copy. Check if it's working. Nice. Check visibility and hello. Nice. Okay, check visibility. Now I want to know if I can see both the comments in one interface. Did I do that? Chats, chats, chat, sign to chat, please. Sign here. Hmm. Have a better idea. I'll just check it if someone comes. Oh, now what I'm going to do today is like, since I don't have much load limit left, I will just make a plan for what I'm going to do with the app. Where is my app? App. There it is. I'm actually going to download cursor. So download cursor. Go that 752 MB. Mm, Cursor. Go app. Yes, open. I've never used cursor till now. See. I heard that it's very good to use with Shopify apps. I will continue with Google. Use this account. Continue. Mhm. Try myself. Software engineer. Continue. Copy link. Continue. Start your government. Continue. Skip for now. Share order. Why not? Mhm. Person, person. Can I give a definition? Allow identify and understand. Okay. Can I pick up? Authorize. Mm, still cursor. GitHub. Verify. Yes, session expired. Manage. GitHub is connected. Let's go to overview. Okay. Close. Cursor. Cursor. Data. Login. Wait. Yes, login. Go to the app. Now what? Cursor. Yeah. Nice. I want to open folder. Folder. This will download. Open its my agency name and can I use colored code? I think I'll have to open project, download our next sugar app, our next open. Yeah, now like you want to add a plugin, you want to add clear code here, and try using this as well. Please go through every file here, understand the app structure of Shopify, use Shopify MCP structure and make me a plan on building this app where I will be adding tariff and surcharges on on the checkout page. And like make me plan in the phases one, two, three, all the pages. I want the minimal viable product made so that I can publish my app and make the update according to the feedback I get from the customers. Yeah. Let's see. Add for myself, add plugin. Okay. Check. Okay, now let's see. Planning next move. I don't really trust it so much. You know what I'm going to do instead? I'm going to open in new window, uh, open folder, and use to open load code to switch focus and slow session. I think session can't recover all chat. Hmm. Oh no, it was a memory. Never mind. So what I'm going to do is first make a new folder. Dot close. Side it. Right now insert cursor. Delete address. Here I'm going to make a dot close. Side I'm going to make close dot md. Okay. Let's check. We'll check overview. Hmm. We are going to be building a Shopify app which allows merchants to add carry charges. The goal is to get a MVP ready where I can produce and make that later. Upload and let me check channel upload MD. Okay. Second thing. Mm-hmm. First of all, open let's plan mode. Okay, put on the best to change my use this. Okay. Hello there. So what I want you to do is first of all make float.md. Don't make it too big. I want you to keep very short and to the point. You need to use Shopify MCV server. We are going to make sure we are going to develop Shopify app, add any relevant skill related to Shopify app development and the planning of the Shopify app. The app is about enabling merchants to add tariff charges, surcharges, or like environmental charges on their Shopify Shiprocket page. So we need to make a plugin and design the whole app according the best practices. So I want you to create a plan in phases, like phase one, phase two, and also like where like make a structure in all the features that we are going to add, and If possible, go ahead and search the competition on what are they doing and what are they not doing, and how can we make a MVP that can be uploaded on the Shopify and get approved. Let's see. Oh, zero comments. Really all this time someone will and chat with me. Hmm. Yes. Use skills, Shopify onboarding that. Yes. Load this bash command. Yes. Name dot get keep. Yes. YouTube. Mhm. Hmm. Yes. Allow web search for this project share. Yeah. Allow. If I call a new person, you know what? You know what? Our Shopify functions truly. Hmm. Zero live. Zero. Okay. Okay. Which fever should the MVP cover? So let's check out the feature with the conditional P. Yeah. Conditional P. I want that. Both expert. Products super. Yes. Always ready to call example importer is very P. States of research. Yes. Computer T. Yeah. Customer optional. I want all four. Mhm. Surface. How should the P surface to the address be hidden line in your card? All plans one thought of sort of with a recommended. Show me a checkout here to explain the customer level. Modify shipping rate directly delivery for screening store. Career service plus Word plus only API and MVP no B2B plan or try larger. Yeah. Okay. See, I'm going to use Opus for planning. Once the plan is sorted and we have like the brains doing all the work, we will use Sonnet as a muscle to come up with all the sections and do it. Let me open one more terminal and like run the app. Shopify app. Yes. Mm-hmm. Still no one. No. I get at least one visitor today. I'll be ready. Yeah, I think I succeeded in the election. Okay. Open. Open. Let's see the current state of the app. One is tariff and search charges. Let it open, handling responsive. I will have to see where do I host this app. You know, I'll take one step at a time. OBS, I'm multi-streaming. Okay, the plan is ready. We are building a Shopify embed app that let merchant apply tariff surcharges, COD credit fees, and environmental fees, checkout, goal shipment, app store approval, MVP, and iterate. The scale for already exists. Reactor 7, Prisma SQLite, Shopify Bridge, okay, a free Prisma model, and all these are no Polaris, no Shopify, no card yet. Auto applied surface card function, target all plan, basic to plus, no plus, get it API in MVP. So MVP is differentiated, not redundant. App magical fee, stand mature PS, code, gap we exploit, no optimal. Money fee type, conditional logic is shallow, okay. Beasley, PS focus, weak on the checkout UX, okay. Cheap single fee mind, no room engine, carbon offset, no tariff sale. Wins wedge one app for all categories. Okay, I think that's enough to iterate. Shopify embed app. Apply tariff surcharge with the stack. Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. I don't think we need to mention the stack. I don't think we need to mention the stack in the cloud.amd. Why are we doing that? Instead of doing that, I want it to mention like the overview, commands, naming, rules. How are we going to verify the agents? You know, naming convention. Little bit about project structure, not much verification, right? And like don't include instruction for solve problems and like yeah, and keep the important stuff in top and in the bottom, and keep the like the middle stuff in middle. Like if it's not too important, keep it in the middle. Uh, you don't know, guys. Like cloud.md is very very important that you make it properly, else it won't, will a eat a lot of tokens. It's too big, and because cloud.md get read every time we enter any prompt. So like yeah. Okay, let's read the phase one. Merchant can create idle list and delete key in a polished admin UI. Yet, sure, it mentioned Polaris, but I think Polaris has been deprecated. Can you check once? Use Shopify MCP and check if Polaris is working right now. I think it has been deprecated. Uh-huh. Build a few replace card transfer function goal active fee actually parent card template card function this was. Mhm. Critical files. Hmm. Phase 3. Check out UI session and open. Peace. Okay, okay. Reporting GDPR App Store draft week 4. Week 4? Bro, we need it in 4th hour. Work for webhook for order create, order free when you roll in keep. Okay, I get that. Billing API, free tier 1 fee. Hmm. Hey, just check right now. Like regarding the billing API, I think they made the billing easier, and so now they get that can be configured through the Shopify UI while I am like publishing the app. So you will have to check regarding that. Read the docs. Mhm. Feature metric worship ban. Viral engine mandatory fee. Track post UI extension. Okay. Considering this, make a new plan and like, take like also one thing like out of this, like just explain me the difference between the function and the theme extension. How are they different? And like go ahead and make this plan. If possible, get the initial pricing that we should set, that set us apart but get us the users as well. I do want some kind of like a free plan if possible. I would love to see some users even if the app doesn't convert. Okay. Ooh, I don't want to hit my floor limit. See, it's like I don't just check setting research. Wow. Oh, I do have some floor limit score. Impression limited knowledge. Super solid image. Okay, wait. Let me. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. I have a phone to pick. I am back. Okay, wait. Still no one in the chat. I have a notification. Mr. Am, I'm going to pull you back. Chat, my live, I live. Yes, good. Okay, I'm going to pull you back. Hmm. Yeah. This MCP launch Shopify API. Yes, allow this MCP. Thinking, doing. Do you think mm, mm, is Haiku capable of building this? Like, I'm very worried about using all the tokens. I'll try to like use Haiku once it's complete building the app or the idea, the plan. Still can't believe it's so easy. I don't know why. No, watch it. I'll see what file. What if I just remove the YouTube video? Just X. Yeah. Now it's something like mute. Okay. Let's see. Big finding. Let me address is essentially superseded. Shopify current pattern for embed app is Polaris web component. Globally, this component like a stable your package already has type just the new world. The plan should not install. Billing via Shopify MCP comfort as of May. The billing API is marked legacy. New default is Shopify app pricing. Renamed from any spreading. You configure plan. Free trial users method. Wait a minute. Let me read it. Yeah. During app submission. How do we like set users usage meters during the partner app? That will be an interesting thing to see. And okay, during Shopify hosts the plan selection page. No billing coordinator in this app. We are thinking of themes a PDB page from the universe. Cloud.md full content to replace. But cloud/cloud command npm run ref should I start npm run build init npm run type check. I'm not using TypeScript. I'm not interested in using TypeScript. What do you guys think? Should I use TypeScript? I'm going to leave it for now. Naming convention, naming rule, after checkout UI, Shopify plugins. Okay, web components, let's check. Don't write, don't compute, don't use, this don't call, key text anywhere easily. And scale positioning. Yeah, not a, yeah. Let's see. Created is a real rules engine and a modern one active key, all condition type, unlimited order, small, powered by. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. Yes, and then you do. Now I'm going to switch the model to Python. Start phase one. And done. Tell me how to verify if everything is working. Prompt is true now. Why is that? Hello there. Watermelon pizza. It is- What should prompt too long? Again and again. Mm, okay, prompt too long. Just- That's a token that your cloud.md is doing the file is loads its content access of one line from the I get the model I can that trigger the prompt alone when you fix to get what client evidence zero from rewrite all. Wait. What? See? What the hell? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Let me look. RMND. Starting as well. Yeah, right. Red schema, the Prisma, red FP, red FP, new that round is too long. Fuck you. Which model? Let's use on it. Continue. Continue. Okay. Okay. Prompt is too long. Okay. Hey Aditya, can you tell me about the audio quality? Like, is it weird or is it like okay? My prompt is too long. Why? Let me switch it back to Opus networks. Which model Opus? Aditya Kabra. Here's your shout out, bro. Now, can you tell me top notch? That's nice to hear. What about the video quality, bro? Hmm. Yeah. Thinking. Let me check the usage settings. Usage. Oh my god. I don't want to hit weekly limits. Now writing everything starting with the schema then routes. Wow. 40% of the context is already used. Hmm. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yes, yes. Now run the migration, then build the routes. Hmm. Check. When I'm using Sonnet or Haiku, it's showing prompt is too long. But when I'm using Opus, it's having no problem generating the code. What's the problem, do you think? Good evening. Wait, what will I get in return? First, send me the reading code. Hmm. Load.md, setting which Create your new directory. Also Gemini, React, app, in classes. I'll give you coding classes. Hmm. 35% of his left. Scalable Prisma. Change. Route, rate, app, route, index, route, purchase. Or tagline, whatever. Shouldn't just be dynamic. All fees. Use state, use navigation. Mhm. Okay. Phase one is complete. Load.md. Okay. Real dashboard. Thin wrapper. Categories. File. Dashboard. Rate of key. List pages. Edit. Key validation. Mhm. Non-limit contention. Therefore, the later phases of the issue. Device equivalent check out the space. True at this landing only. Nice. I want to check the permission if I can get. Mhm. If I go to see the app scopes we are giving, right product, right meta object, right meta object definition. Why are we giving right product, right meta object? Hmm. I want to add some. Go to plan. Dash plan. Oh no, it's batch. Wait, if you go batch, what batch change you want to plan? Wait, thank you. We are in plan mode. Hey, can you quickly figure out what are the scopes that we need? I only want to give the scope that we absolutely need for the app, nothing extra, because Shopify app sure will not allow us to have extra scopes. Also, it's very dangerous to have scopes that we don't need. No one on Twitter still. That's so sad. What's this? Hmm, what's this? Let me post it again. Shopify, my story, live. Post. Not. Yeah, allow this dash command, yes. Let's check out the app. Currently, 44 not huh? Maybe we sorry, maybe we have to deploy the app. Wow, wait. Total fees currently applied at checkout. Note at live recent fees. All this that you apply. Tariffs of the distributed customer opt-in fees. Net fees. Fees are not working. Reduce the testing. Import to your country of origin. Surcharge. Eco fee custom. Custom title shown to customer at checkout. Why? Well, the description. Paid. Plant. Free. Entire cart. Each product amount we will take $10. Customer select. Please select this checkout option. This is taxable. Hmm. Leave this blank to skip that condition. Also, you can must match the fee to apply. Countries. Huh. No. Wait. Different scopes information. That's good, but I want to change one thing. In the phase one and conditions, in countries you give a user to write USCAGV, that's not going to work. We need to give Shopify a native selector. We can give extra zip postal code thing because that's not provided by Shopify natively, but we need to give that Shopify thing that allows user to select the country and the state and like yeah. Like, don't give anything to for them to write that. That's going to cause issues. Like with payment method as well, if possible, like patch the payments that they have, like COD manual. We can make a chat box because there are not going to be that many payments methods. Yeah, and like fees is also not working properly when we go to fees. Sometimes it works. Other time it shows like server only module reference by client uh, from this loader action middleware header react router automatically will remove server code from the export. And in the dashboard, I don't know what it is, but uh, there's a margin issues which shouldn't have come if you are using proper Shopify Polaris components. In recent fee box and the total fee box are merging together. You can check that. See the transcript and Whisper Flow is too good. Too good. Hmm. Not a single person. Not a single person. Let's check it out. What the hell? What the hell? 40 years now, 40 years. It's the VS code. Yeah, yes, is it? How deep should the country state selection go, particularly where the country chiefs below selection? Uh, country or state. Mhm, mhm. Hustling, by the way. Where should see by the way. What? Mm-hmm. The good thing that is setting on the smooshing. If I can somehow get unlimited token, I can make the whole app today. I'm not kidding. When I opened this, I thought there are people in my live stream. So, no, no, random. What? What are you? Okay. Problem country uses plan country picker all country plus state. I wanted to use the native one. Yes, and photos. Let's see what it creates. I want to see it create. Liberty Gitching. GPT. Mm-hmm. 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 Excellent. Excellent. Only three people came. Four. Excellent. Only three people came. Okay. And handle your full the hell. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. It has updated the scopes. Now I'll have to deploy the app again. Why it's not working? Is it thinking or was the app crashed? Continue, bro. Producing completion. Authenticating. From the streaming. Yeah, do it. Chat. Oh no, open the pod. Oh wow, it fixed it already. Nice. Create fee. Address. If I go to partner, show it where it go. Choose an account. Add passkey. I'm going to add the passkey. I do have one password. Save. Passkey added. Continue. Passkey is amazing. I'm going to go to app distribution. When is the view on that dashboard? App will see. I will earn at least $7. Okay, okay. Check it out. Okay. Embedded app home manager app navigation. I public distribution. Continue. You cannot build only this. Clever builds stats automatically are based on the app. It was Shopify. How to get built for Shopify? I will show you later. Hmm. Need benchmarks with 25 course item. 25. Okay. Minimize impact on stores and a low store can be sense. Make sure if okay, it's embedded on Shopify. Make that embedded every page. This team every essential. Okay. Okay. Apps that are equal to theme for the asset provide. Conversion of different theme. So theme of essential preferred. I get that. Category specific. And then the thing ready base product bundles, subscription, discount, product review, item exchanges, carriers, service, affiliate, and affiliate ads. Minimum fat, merchant utility, which is new 15 million from minimum. Oh, this is for built for Shopify app. Are you working on your own part of it? This is my only account. I will say this. Mhm. But I go with individual organization. I do have an organization, but I haven't publicly listed it. So like it's not registered. I'm thinking like what's the word synonym? I lose no it's the must be a system yes with cheese or next with this navigation extension completely removed. That's this is what deprecated systems. Still got the organization. This is my main account. I verify. We pay the $19. Let me check the list. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, watch it. Remove the demo and below scope will be re-added per phase. So the default is client step fix the server name for error. I don't really know what's the error was about. How to verify npm run the app. It is wrong. We need to deploy the app. Shopify seller should scope change notification dashboard app three metric boxes are clear spacing no longer okay. I have seen that. Create fee whereas we apply country double on list all select the description here. Select Brazil, save a fee. NPX Business Studio, limitation do not submit on a ship for a major country or countries outside Germany. Show up on expert volage of paper collector art surface with very this static and this over that it show We do need to show the all the payment method, and let's start the phase two as well. If it's very small, do the phase three as well and tell me how to verify it. And until then, I'm going to deploy the app again for the scopes to work and see what you have made. Control C. Now we will run. Ooh, yeah. Hmm. Shopify app deploy. See, we have added access scopes and webhooks. Like, okay, the voice it Shopify app that. Wait a minute, continue. B tunnel error. Cloud failed tunnel error. Hmm. Hmm. It did not reach anyone. That I was not expecting. Wait. My thought was I did use railway and I don't know. It was somewhere else. Create your limit, reset to 20 AM. This sucks. At least I think phase one is completed. So let me check it out. If we go to dashboard, this is okay. We go to P, create P. We will call it phase one completed. If we have P, we have to do phase one is completed. So, okay, customer, giving customer without finding the category and the description. Let's give a search and each product. Let's give it percentage. I will charge 10%. Currency will be USD. Minimum amount. Optional. Optional. This is optional. Automatically apply customer Slack. Let's give the customer. No, it will be automatic. Customer will have to pay 10. No, 10 percentage of the total. I don't care. I was worried about this. I don't want this country thing. I want one provided by, let's say, Azerbaijan. It's stupid. Like America, United States, let's say UAE. What the hell? Not like this. There's a way that we can get the native uh, New Hampshire, New Mexico, Oregon, South Dakota. Minimum card only applies when card shares with this amount. Let's go $50. Okay, we'll have to pay $50. Payment rate for reads with this feature is really goal unchecked to apply to every method. Okay, save and activate. This is save and activate. Phase one is complete. Why this mention ammonia dashboard? you think? Think merchant can product and back includes and the merchant can also have environment and hmm. Oh, 3 minutes. Hey there. Anyone watching me? Hmm. Limit has to reach. Check the but first of all, I want that. I want it to be native. Hmm. Like already the journal, store address, uh, where's the shipping? We go to general, add location. I go with this. I don't know. Let me check this. Yeah, I do. Hmm. Oh, apps video. First app. Mhm, application. Operate the latest API. Yeah. Date picker no. List map. Yeah, key. Not this. Hmm. Yeah. Shopify. Shopify. What's confirming not confirming it. I want this thing like this thing on my app. Let me get that. See. Part and circle variation. Let me check out. Road layout. Customize the footer, header. No. Okay, let me check the date. Hmm. Icon image. the customer account. Mm, check each one. Page. Button. Choice list. Hmm. And label. Shopify. I said it somewhere. Let me look at it. Hmm. Developers. Check. Yeah. Yeah. There's channel. Channel. Yeah. Be sure how to do that. What else? Tags. Yeah. Well. Hmm. Maybe this. Oh no, this is checkout extension. Hmm. Maybe this. Weird. Theme extension. Lord will understand for sure in this image. Image. Hmm. Try asking cursor maybe. Wait. Cursor came with the plan. see. Being here, we are import your settings. Stuff. Import, import. Morning when I have the code occurs to command normal letter. Password. It's the password. Generate card transfer. Plant debug multi-card pass. You want it? Plan. Hey cursor, plan again. I have made some changes. Go through the. Hey cursor, I want you to plan again. I have made some changes. Go through the files and check it out. I have also made cloud.md. I don't know if you can see that. That mentions some of the instruction for you to follow, and there's a plan document that you might also see that is generated by the cloud code, and make me the plan also. Like there are something that I need you to change. If you can see in the routes, there's a location selector. I want it to be in the native Shopify location selector. See if you can pull that out. Uh, let's see. Hmm. Wow, 18% full already. Still in the plan. Hmm. Five people on which minute? Can anyone please like do a live chat? Hmm. Waiting for approval. Continue. Don't use Polaris, bro. Patch. Mm-hmm. From search. Why is it using Polaris, bro? Oh, uses console and market in the store. There's a fee section. I claim the from the store simply my shipping destination fee. Can I use anti-gravity as well? Increase anti-gravity because method. Hey, people are watching. Upgrade the plan, documentate the deliver. Read the plan. Product rules name category routes. Building the revised plan using uh, what cursor plan. I can't you make the plan here? Public name is what cursor MCP okay. Dashboard this is the route nav list one data models extensions. Route. Hmm. Change the date. No. No. And where is when that's stored? Yeah, there's only load the cursor. Give me the damn plan your plan this plan copy it. Here's the plan. Limit fuck limit fuck load limit. Okay. Five plan. Hmm. So you very fast. Correct. We we so hmm. Let's see. App phone. Yes, you can absolutely use you. What the hell? And let's just say in one line. No, plan mode. What the hell? Hmm. Don't think it's really. Even the cloud for generating text are using conversation. Dot company. Hmm. Hmm. You habitually met but you wait. Yes, I don't understand what she's doing. If it's not already matched, then start, close, economics. And in this fonts, hmm, about 8 groups. That's progress. Because on YouTube, I generally get like one view. 20%. Yeah, generating friendship. Okay, generate. Result. It's spot on. It's not even. I like the different little design that play with typography for the text with the person. Encapsulation. There's a function. Nothing just very brush. Oh, wow. With navigation. Peaceful and yeah. This night is very chill. It's a bit inside the compartment. Maybe to escape. Could use a bit of wind. So on some notes. So on some. What are the modern just I drove them to use some less than agreement that two around it get the same job. The main image other the monuments called the image values. Or title one might not in that tag but was in the image yeah, I think that Few other was the author of the CTO PGM and was a quick answer and tag works anytime. Or that's choose so new reader. Run. Hmm. I'm just going to check this and I will stop. Hmm. I'm saving too much time, even doing anything. Still at this market fetch. Culture, part planning, next move. Planning thought. Okay. Yes. Yes. Right. Okay. Okay. We'll leave it later. Okay. Key gravity. Alright. File. Hmm. Anyone watching my live? Please comment once. Shopify apps. Let me change to first refresh and 20. Okay. Hmm. Gemini sucks. Yeah. First, put that. Can you? Hey there. Read the whole file. Understand everything, the app structure, read cloud.md as well to get all the important instruction, and understand about the app we are trying to make. We are trying to make a MVP that we can list in Shopify App Store. Furthermore, try to like, if possible, try to find the plan that Claude made before I hit the limit, so that you can understand the phases that we are going through. We haven't made any extensions and the functions, and yeah, see if you can figure this out. Yeah, limited for the, and every week I'm keep hitting limits. Generating, generating. Run, not cloud. Cloud, bro. And remove audience. Run, 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 run. Why does it need to run this command? Thought, thought. Analyze. Generate. Oh wow, I'm really sleepy. Hmm. So analyze which, okay. Find in the plan what MD. Ah, reject. You won't find it. Let's just watch what plan can anybody make. Instructions. Okay. YouTube. Hmm. Oh, oh, fuck your servers, bro. Servers. Let's see. Oh, we have added card transfer. Checkout. Retry. 99 minutes. Analytics. 16,000 today. 1, 8, 34. Oh, verified players 203, 153. Yes, too much latency. Implementation plan open. Phase 1 is partially complete. Phase 3, phase 4. Hmm. Yeah. So I think Claude wrote the best plan. I'm a little biased though. But yeah. So we're going to wait for the limit to restart. Also, I'm very sleepy. That's it for today. To mention, if I can improve anything, I will improve a lot though. Like just mention if I don't know, fast track the app or anything to improve the stream. Yeah. Okay. Anyone is watching. Although I doubt if anyone will watch. So yeah, bye guys. Stopping the stream.